Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You can see my face this time. Oh, the horror. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna title this video, I don't know what. No, that's not the title, sorry. I just don't know a title. So, it's Dee March here, and, okay, we have another theme. What's going on here? Softball. That's my own softball. What is this? Tell me. Uniform. Glove. Karate. No, what about this? This is a helmet. Yes, I play softball. What's the big deal? Oh. In a real professional softball. Bye-bye. Well, that was just nice.
Are you gonna hurry that
Bye-bye.
up because
Ow, that hit me. Alright, so I'm just going to show you guys some stuff that I bought in my softball league. Because we had a parade today, so that's why I got my whole face paint. I'm number 8, as you can see on my elbow. And I'm going to show you 2 slimes that I got. This isn't really a slime though. So this is like, I'm going to show you guys this one. It's like, it's silk mud. It's like silk mud. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what it is. When you stretch it, it looks like cloud slime, but it's not. And look, it's like, oh my gosh, it's so weird. Like, look, it feels like when you stretch it, and then you feel it, it's super soft. But when it's just like in a pile, it feels like mud. So that's why I think it's called silk mud. So yeah. But I wish you guys can touch it when it's stretching. It's like super soft, you guys. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has like these little confetti things. So yes, I'm going to be showing you one more thing. And on part 2, I'll show you guys a surprise. Alright. Hi, Mom. I'm recording. Okay, so this is the next slime. Well, it's not exactly a slime, but it says 3, but it's only 2. 3 colored pudding. Let's just see how this turns out. Ew, it smells like water. No, I'm kidding, you guys. So it's like a jelly cube putty, and it rips. So yes, it's really watery. And I honestly don't know why. I'm still recording. And it's just wet. Just wet. Hi. Why? That's so satisfying. Oops. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I'll see you guys next time, and bye!